Scientists make food from thin air and electricity for first time. Protein reactors produce basic food from carbon dioxide and electricity. Actually, researchers from the VTT Technical Research Center of Finland and Lappeenranta University of Technology, LUT, succeeded in creating a single-cell protein powder. For that they used carbon dioxide taken from the thin air. This food can be fed to people or animals. Academy of Finland provided the necessary funding. The meal of single-cell protein may not revolutionize cuisine, but it could open a way for a new type of food in the future. The protein reactor for making this food can be used anywhere with access to electricity. If we use this protein powder as an alternative animal feed, then it would allow land to be used for other purposes such as forestry or more crops for human consumption. In near future this protein reactor could become a household item. Juha-Pekka Pitkanen, who is a scientist at VTT, said that in practice, all the raw materials are available from the air. In the long term, protein created with electricity is meant to be used in cooking and products as it is. The mixture is very nutritious, with more than 50% protein and 25% carbohydrates. The rest is fats and nucleic acids. The consistency of the final product can be modified by changing the organisms used in the production. Juha-Pekka Pitkanen also said that one possible alternative is a home reactor, a type of domestic appliance that the consumer can use to produce the needed protein. According to the researchers, the process of creating food from electricity can be nearly 10 times as energy efficient as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use to make food. The scientists also stressed that the reactor could produce food with no environmental impact if the electricity used is derived from renewable sources. Professor Jero Ahola of the LUT said only fertilizer-like nutrients were used in the process, which avoided any environmental impacts, such as runoffs into water systems or the formation of powerful greenhouse gases. To feed cattle or humans with the protein, the technology needs to be made much more efficient. Currently, the coffee machine-size reactor takes about 2 weeks to produce only 1 gram of protein powder. Lastly, Mr. Rahula said to produce sufficient quantities for testing as an animal feed and in food products, the idea is to develop the concept into a mass product, with a price that drops as technology becomes more common.